Linear programming and welding. First, create a program name. This is our starting point. Then choose our process number. Choose here and here. Now we select a set of process numbers. Click Save. Arc starting and arc ending parameters can be modified according to part. Now I only modify the parameters in welding. 160 current 16 voltage. Click Save. Confirm your process number. Now enter the program interface. Inserting a save point into a program. We can use shortcut command. Point-to-point movage command. Set the speed a little faster, 30%. Click to confirm. Move the robot to the starting point of the arc. Then insert our second instruction. Also use the point-to-point command movage. The speed is still 30%. Now insert our arc starting command. Find our arc starting instructions. To select the process number to just now. Click to confirm. Completed our arc starting parameters. Now we are going to draw our arc path. Control the robot forward. Because the path is a straight line, you need to use the straight line command. I changed the speed to 8. Now we need to close the arc. At the same time, change the process number to 2. Finally, we raise the robot and leave the arc ending point. In the same way, use the movage command. Click to confirm. Now we will do a welding simulation to make sure. Click here to make your selection. Turn off the weld enable switch, it will not arcing. Switch to automatic mode. Click to open. Start simulated welding. If the simulated welding is correct, we can turn on the weld enable switch. Click to open. This completes the linear programming and welding.